Hi folks, I'm Kushan Mitra, and those of you who follow me on social media might know that I was recently invited by Vietnamese car maker VinFast to visit Vietnam. We drove the VF MPV7, but we also visited VinFast manufacturing facility in the city of Hai Phong, which is about 2 hours from the capital of Hanoi. We were taken extensively around their factory, which produces electric two-wheelers, these cars you can see over here, as well as electric buses. We saw the press shop, the body shop, the weld shop, and the final assembly line. This is the body shop and the weld shop. You can see workers milling about the cars, attaching doors before the final welding process starts. You can see the welding process, which is what I call the dance of the robots. It's very fascinating to watch. And then you will see the final assembly line in this video, where you also see the workers attaching the battery pack to these electric cars. On the line today was the VF MPV7, which VinFast just launched in India, and which is why we had gone to Vietnam, as well as the VF5, which is the largest hatchback. I really hope VinFast brings that car to India. I really liked it. But anyway, enjoy this video. Do leave your comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe to my channels, whether it's on X, LinkedIn or YouTube.